Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video background using an MP4 file. It's actually very easy, and all you have to do is upload the video to the platform and then use the URL to link it to the right section. So first of all, what we're going to do is we are going to navigate to the media section, which is on the main dashboard. So we go to media, and then we're going to find the file that we're going to use. So in this case, the church wants to add a video of their pastor preaching. So I'm just going to click upload, and I'll probably not be able to see it, but I am dropping the video onto the section when it does it right here. And once the video is uploaded, I can actually click what is uploading, and you'll see the video uploaded to the section. You are going to need this URL right here, which is the full hosted path. I'm going to copy this section, and then I'm going to go to the page to do it. We're going to go to pages, and this church wants to do that on the main page. So we're navigating to the home page, and we're going to add that to this welcome home section. So the first thing we're going to do is going to click the settings wheel for that block, which is right here. And under background, you have a few options. So you have the colors in the image. So what we're going to do is go for background effects, background video, and then we're going to drop that link right there. And now you can see automatically the video has been embedded. So we're going to save the page, and then we can preview what that looks like on the actual page.